arbitrationagreements.org. And welcome to a brief discussion on a topic that's caught the attention of many who find themselves navigating the often complex world of legal disputes. Litigation versus arbitration. Before we begin, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save your business a great deal of time and money. So let's dive in. At its core, litigation involves going to court, with attorneys representing parties, a judge presiding, and a potential jury involved. Think about all those dramatic courtroom scenes you've seen on TV, but in the real world, it's not all drama. It's often time-consuming, expensive, and unpredictable. Now let's consider arbitration. Arbitration is like a more informal version of a court trial, and it's held outside the courtroom. A neutral third party called an arbitrator hears both sides and then makes a decision. Now you might be wondering, why would anyone choose arbitration over litigation? For starters, arbitration is typically faster than litigation. In fact, according to the American Arbitration Association, the average duration of a consumer arbitration is just about 4 months, while civil litigation can take 2 to 3 years or more to conclude. And while we're on the topic of time, consider the monetary aspect. The longer a legal dispute drags on, the more it costs. Arbitration is often less expensive than litigation. Think about it. Less time in a legal process often means less money spent on attorney fees, court costs, and other associated expenses. But beyond time and money, let's talk about stress. Litigation is public, and it's often a high-pressure environment. Your business can be laid bare for everyone to see. Arbitration, on the other hand, offers a private setting. It's a confidential process where the details of your dispute aren't on public display. And then there's flexibility. In litigation, you are bound by the court schedule. In arbitration, parties often have more say in setting up the timeline and can choose their arbitrator. This means you can select someone with expertise in the specific area of your dispute. Lastly, decisions in arbitration are usually final. This can be seen as an advantage because it limits the endless back and forth that can happen with appeals in traditional court cases. So, when you weigh the advantages, from the speed of the process to the cost savings and the reduction in stress, it's clear that arbitration holds a lot of appeal for many people. Do you need more information about arbitration? If so, visit arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Countless companies and individuals utilize our services to handle claims in a controlled manner through cost-effective solutions. If you're interested in doing that as a business, we are standing by. Successful companies depend on arbitration to save money. You're paying one service per case instead of experiencing the uncontrolled expenses of a standard lawsuit. That's the key reason why arbitration is so popular. Also, what do you think about arbitration? Does it sound like a potential solution to resolving a dispute? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.